Let's be honest, being unstoppable in today's modern work environment can be a bit of a challenge. Noise, you see, can be a real nuisance, and it can end up being a battle to be heard on calls. That's why Jabra created Evolve3, featuring our revolutionary ClearVoice technology. Developed with deep neural networks trained in over 60 million sentences. Our microphones and smart algorithms form a beam that locks onto your voice, isolating it from all the chaos around you. Pretty neat, right? But how do you really sound when faced with some of office life's most annoying noises? There's only one way to find out. Let's put Evolve3 to the test and battle it out. There could be only one winner. All I can say is bring it on. Maintenance Mondays, facilities Fridays, and somewhere, a power drill. This is Millie from maintenance, and she just loves creating noisy chaos. But with Jabra Evolve3 and ClearVoice beamforming technology, even power tools don't drill into your conversation. It's like an invisible mic arm locked onto your voice. So even if that shelf had to be put up now, Millie and her power tool are basically invisible. At the other end of this call, just me. So there you have it. Evolve3 is the clear winner. Wherever you work, whoever you work with Jabra ClearVoice technology, your voice remains front and center. Louder than the chaos, smarter than the noise.